So we're doing quant questions. The focus again is speed based questions, so where we build up speed. So try to solve it orally, take your time, try to solve it, and then look at the solution. That's a advisable way of going about solving it. Now, floor of a square room of side 10 meters to be completely covered with square tiles. So when you say floor, it's a square, right? So one way is very clear. Try to find a number of tiles on one side, and square of that will give you the total number of tiles. For example, if you look at number of tiles on one side is 10 meter upon 50. Total length is 10 meters, and each tile is 50 centimeter. So 10 meter upon 50 centimeter. If you look at it, it becomes 20. So 20 tiles on one side. So you say 20 tiles out here by 20 tiles. The total number of tiles will be 400. Also, if you notice that number of tiles should be a perfect square, because number of tiles here n and number of tiles here n into n will give you n square. And there's only one option with perfect square, 400. You can mark the answer directly. So either way you can go about it. So you can either find the number of tiles on one side, which is 10 meter upon 50 centimeter, which is 20 tiles. 20 by 20 is 400, mark it. Or you can make out, since it's a square, the number of tiles has to be a perfect square. There's only one option, C. So that will be the answer. A visible seller bought 2 kg of onions at 9 per kg and 3 kg at rupees 8 per kg and made 20% profit. One is obviously solved, but if you look at the options are far, when the options are far, you can always approximate it. So take each one. Suppose if I take 9 and make a 20% profit, you should be good at calculating 10%, 20%. So 9 ka 10% is 0.9, 20% is 1.8, which becomes 10.8. If I look at 8, 10% is 0.8, just put a point this side. 20% is 1.6, so this becomes 9.6. So answer should be somewhere between 10.8 and 9.6. Right? Average will always be in between. So you can directly mark the answer as A option. If you can just calculate this orally, 9 plus 20% is 10.8, 8 plus 20% is 9.6. Answer between that, the only option is 10. The normal way is obviously to calculate weighted average. So 9 rupees per kg into 2 kgs plus 8 rupees per kg into 3 kg divided by 2 plus 3. You will get, and you should get, the prices around 8.4. So you should also note that when you're mixing 9 and 8 in the ratio of 2:3, okay, the average will be closer to 8, right? Because you're mixing it in more quantity as compared to 9 and a ratio of 3:2. It will be 8.4 because 8.4 is 0.4 as away from 8 and 0.6 away from 9. 3:2, which is same as the original ratio. Anyway, if you don't understand this, then you can directly solve it. You will get 8.4. On 8.4, again that 10% is 0.84. 20% is double of this, 1.68. So add 1.68. You will get the value as 10.08. Right, which is A option, approximate. Sunita borrows two equal sums at the same time at 6% and 5% per annum respectively. She finds that if she pays the former sum with simple interest on certain date exactly 1 year before the later, so that means the later be n years. So n into 5% interest should give you equal to n minus 1 into 6% interest. The concept out here is when you get 2% interest, let's say for 3 years, your total interest is 6% because every year you're getting 2%. So for 3 years, it will get 6%, 2 into 3. Same way, if you're getting 6% interest for n minus 1 years, the interest is 6 into n minus 1. Here it is 5 into n, and this two has to be equal. If you notice, the value will be 5 into 6% should be equal to 6 into 5%. So that means in each case, you're getting 30% interest. So if we're getting 30% interest in each case, right? So principal plus 0.3p interest should give you 3,900. 1.3p should be 3,900. So automatically p will be 3,900 upon 1.3. You can make out it will be 3,000 will be the principal. D option. Options are 5 and approximated also. The basic idea is actually you need not even write this. If you can do it early, okay, this is 1 year more as compared to the first one, which is only possible if the first one is 5 years and second year one is 6 years. 5 years 6% is 30%, 6 years 5% is 30%. So you know interest is 30%. So and if you look at the option, 3,000 plus 30% will give you 3,900. So you can mark the answer D directly. You can always use the options to try to get the answer or solve the way you're comfortable with. It is geometry sum and I normally prefer drawing in geometry. So circle. So when will it be closer to circumference? Let's say just to help, I'll put the radius as 2 of the circle. When it is within this 1, okay, radius is equal to 2 of the circle. When it's within this 1 centimeter, 1 unit inside, then it's closer to the center. If it's beyond this 1 unit, it's far away from the center. Area of the whole circle is pi into 2 square of 4 pi. And area of the circle which is 1 away from the center is pi into 1 square, which is 1 pi. So point inside the circle, if it's inside this 1 pi, it's closer to the center. Else away, apart from this 1 pi, 4 pi minus 1 pi, let's say, if it's any of the 3 pi which is outside here, this is 3 pi area outside, then it's closer to the circumference. That means the probability that it's closer to circumference will be 3 pi divided by the total area 4 pi, which is 3 by 4. A option. Actually also based on the property that if the ratio of the side of similar figures is A is to B, the ratio of the area of similar figure is A square is to B square. So if you look at the ratio of the radius of the circle of 1 and 2 is 1 is to 2, that means the area is 2 is to 4 where the point is. So 1 is to 4. Which means to be near the center, the chance is 1. To be near the circumference, the chance is 3 because the total chance is 4. To be near the center, the probability is 1/4. So to be near the circumference, So probability has to be 1 minus 1/4, which will give you 3/4 as the answer, which is A option. Many ways to solve it. Try to understand the sum and try to figure it out. Important to understand geometry, preferably draw so that you understand the sum better. Okay, and then you can solve. I hope this is clear. Thank you.